Hey there, I just got to the Siam, which is the only hotel in the historic section of Bangkok. And check out this Riverview suite. Absolutely gorgeous, kind of Art Deco style, double sinks, beautiful lights. Behind the curtain is a place for luggage, a lot of storage. There's two cupboards for storage here. And then, okay, you can see me in the in the mirror, but an incredible tub. Just really gorgeous details. There's toilet. There's a really nice rain shower. And then check out the living space because it's really gorgeous. So really nice desk with lots of different ports. They give you a phone while you're here so that you can always connect to your butler. Here is what the bedroom area looks like. And then here is the seating area with the river view. Really high ceilings, mini bar, some snacks, local banana chips, and a gorgeous, gorgeous view. So there you have it. That's the Siam. Absolutely gorgeous boutique hotel in Bangkok.